हेलो गाइस, आप लोग कैसे हो? मैं अजीत प्रताप यादव आप लोगों के लिए नई वीडियो लेके आ गया। आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 9 साइंस चैप्टर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो इस वीडियो में मैं क्या है 7 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया। तो सबसे पहले वी विल डिस्कस सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल एंड अर्ली मॉडल्स। What is the three fundamental subatomic particle? Electron, proton, and neutron are three fundamental subatomic particles. What are the three fundamental subatomic particles? Electron, proton, and neutron are three subatomic fundamental. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Question number 3. In which experiment was the electron discovered? Cathode ray tube experiment. In which experiment was the electron discovered? Cathode ray tube experiment. Question number 4. What is the charge and mass of electron? Charge of electron is minus 1.6 multiplied by 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron is 9.1 multiplied by 10 to power minus 31 kg. Who discovered the proton? E. Goldstein discovered the proton. Question number 6. How did Goldstein discover the proton? Using the modified cathode ray tube with the perforated cathode, he observed positive charge ray canal ray. How did Goldstein discover the proton? Using modified cathode ray tube with a perforated cathode, he observed positively charged ray canal ray. Question number 7. What is the charge and mass of the proton? Charge of proton is plus 1 or plus 1.6 multiplied by 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Mass 1.67 multiplied by 10 to power minus 27 kg. Who discovered neutron? James Chadwick discovered neutron. Question number 9. What is the charge and mass of neutron? Charge equal to 0 neutral होता है. Mass is 1.67 multiplied by 10 to power minus 27 kg. Most equal to a proton. Question number 10. Who was J.J. Thomson's model of the atom known as the plum pudding model or watermelon model? What was J.J. Thomson model of the atom known as the plum pudding model or watermelon model? Question number 11. Describe Thomson's model of atom. The atom was envisioned as a sphere of positive charge with negatively charged electron embedded in it, like plum in pudding. This question number 11. Describe Thomson's model of atom. The atom was envisioned as a sphere of positive charge with negatively charged electron embedded in it, like plum in pudding. Question number 12. What was the major limitation of Thomson's model? It could not explain the radius of Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Question number 13. Are now Rutherford scattering experiments. Now we will discuss the question based on the Rutherford alpha scattering experiment. Question number 3. Who conducted the famous alpha particle scattering experiment? Ernest Rutherford along with his assistant Hans Gregor and Ernest Marstreden. Question number 14. What were the particles fired at the thin gold foil? Alpha particle, positive charge, helium ions. Question number 15. What was the expected result of the experiment based on the Thomas model? Answer. The alpha particle should have passed straight through the foil with little or no deflection. Question number 6. What was the actual observation that surprised Rutherford? While while most postal particles pass through, once out of every 12,000 particles bounce back. Question number 17. What conclusion did Rutherford draw from the fact that most alpha particles pass straight through? The atom is mostly empty space. Question number 18. What conclusion did he draw from the deflection of some alpha particle? There is a tiny dense positively charged center in the atom which is called the nucleus. Question number 19. What did the few alpha particles that bounced back indicate? They were repelled by the massive positively charged central core, the nucleus. Question number 20. What is the size of nucleus compared to the atom? The radius of the nucleus is 1 upon 10, 1 upon 1 lakh times of radius of the atom. Rather, now we come to question based on the Rutherford's models. Question number 21. List the postulate of Rutherford nuclear model of the atom. An atom has tiny dense positively charged core called nucleus. First, an atom has tiny dense positively charged core called nucleus. Postulate number 2. The electron revolve around the nucleus in well-defined orbits. Postulate number 3. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of atom. Question number 4. The electrostatic force of attraction between the nucleus and electron hold the atom together. Question number 22. What is the major drawback of Rutherford's model regarding electron orbits? Answer is that according to Maxwell's theory of electromagnetism, any charged particle undergoing circular motion would lose energy continuously and eventually spiral into the nucleus, making the atom unstable. This did not happen in reality. Question number 23. How did Rutherford model differ from the Thomas model? Rutherford proposed a small dense nucleus at the center, whereas Thomas proposed a uniform sphere of positive charge. Now we move to the question based on the Bohr models. Question number 24. Who proposed a model to overcome the limitation of the Rutherford model? Niels Bohr. Question number 25. What are the postulates of Bohr model of the atom? Electron revolves around the nucleus in a specific fixed circular path called orbit or shell. Postulate number 1 of Bohr model is electron revolve around the nucleus in a specific fixed circular path called orbit or shell. Postulate number 2. These orbits have definite energy level and are called energy level shell (KLMN). Question number 3. Electrons do not radiate energy while moving in these stable orbits. Question number 4. Energy is emitted or absorbed only when an electron jumps from one energy level to another. Question number 26. How are the energy shell labeled? And KLMNO, starting from the one closest to the nucleus. Question number 27. What is the maximum number of electrons that can be present in K, L, and M cell? K shell have 2, L shell have 8 electrons, M shell have 18 electrons for class 9th after simplified to 8. Question number 20. What is the formula for the maximum number of electrons in cell? Is equal to 2n square, where n is the number of cells, 1 for K cell, 2 for L cell, etc. Now question based on the atomic number and mass number. Now define atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. It is unique for every element. Define atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by Z. The number of protons present in nucleus of the atom. It is unique for every element. Question number 30. In a neutral atom, how is the atomic number related to the number of electrons? In a neutral atom, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons, which is the atomic number of Z. Question number 31. Define mass number A. The sum of the total number of proton and neutron present in nucleus of an atom is called a mass number. The sum of the total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom, A equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Question number 31. Define mass number A. The sum of total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom, A equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Question number 13. How do you calculate the number of neutron in an atom? Number of neutron equal to mass number A minus atomic number Z. How do you calculate the number of neutron in an atom? Answer: number of neutron equal to mass number of A atomic number. Question number 30. What is the atomic number of carbon which has 6 protons? 6. Question number 30. If the element has mass number 23 and atomic number 11, how many neutrons does it? Number of neutrons is 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. Question number 35. What is the chemical symbol for an atom with 11 proton and 12 neutron? Answer: sodium Na. Its atomic number is 11 and its mass number is 23. Now we will take the question based on the isotope and isobar. What is isotope? The atom of the same element having Atom of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number is called isotope. They have the same number of proton but different number of neutron. Question number 37. Give two example of isotope. Hydrogen, protium, deuterium, titanium. Hydrogen have three isotopes: protium, deuterium, titanium. Formula is formula protium is 1H1. Formula deuterium 1S2. Titanium 1S3. Carbon have two isotopes: 6 carbon 12, 6 carbon 14. Chlorine have two isotopes: chlorine 17, chlorine 35, chlorine 1737. Question number 30. Why do isotope of an element have identical chemical properties? Chemical property depend on the number of electron, which is equal to the number of protons. Since isotopes have the same atomic number, they have the same electron configuration, hence similar chemical properties. Question number 38. Why do isotope of an element have identical chemical property? Chemical property depend on the number of electron, which is equal to number of proton. Since isotopes have the same atomic number, they have the same electronic configuration and hence similar chemical property. Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? Answer is they have different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atoms. Question number 39. How do the physical property of the isotope differ? Answer is that they have different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atom. Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? Answer is they have different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atom. Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? They have different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atom. Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? They have the different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atom. Question number 39. Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? They have different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atom. Question number 39. How do the physical property of isotope differ? They have different physical property like density, melting point and boiling point because these depend on the mass of the atom. Question number 4. What are isotopes? Answer is the atom of different element having the same mass number but different atomic number. Question number 40. What are isobar? Atom of different element having the same mass number but different atomic number. Question number 40. What are the isobar? Atom of different element having the same mass number but different atomic number is called isobar. Question number 41. Give an example of a pair of isotope. Calcium atomic number 20, mass number 40, and argon atomic number 18, mass number 40. Question number 42. Why do isobar have different chemical property? Because they have different atomic number and different electronic configuration. Question number 42. Why do isobar have different chemical property? Because they have different atomic number and hence different electronic configuration. Question number 43. Valency and electronic configuration. Question number 42. Why do isobar have different chemical property? Because they have different atomic number and hence different electron configuration. Question number 43. What are the valence electron? Question number 43. What are the valence electron? The electron present in the outermost shell of an atom are called valence electron. Question number 43. What are the valence electron? The electron present in the outermost shell of an atom are called valence electron. Question number 43. What are the valence electron? The electron present in the outermost shell of an atom are called valence electron. Question number 44. What is valency? Define valency or what is valency? So the combining capacity of an element is known as its valence. It is determined by the number of valence electron it can lose, gain or share. Question number 44. The combining capacity of an element is known as its valency. It is determined by the number of valence electron it can lose, gain or share. Question number 45. How is the valency of element related to its valence electron? If the number of valence electron is 1, 2 or 3, the valency is equal to the number of tendency to lose electron. If the number of valence electron is 5, 6 or 7, the valency is equal to 8 minus number of valence electron, tendency to gain electron. For noble gas with the 8 valence electron or 2 for the helium, the valency is 0. Question number 46. What is the valency of sodium with atomic number 11? Electron configuration of sodium is K equal to 2, L equal to, M equal to 1. Valence electron of equal to 1. So the valency of equal to 1. Question number 47. What is the valency of oxygen with atomic number 8? Electronic configuration of oxygen is K equal to 2, L equal to 6. Valence electron equal to 6. So valency is 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Question number 40. What is the valency of noble gases? Valency of noble gas is 0 as their outermost shell is completely filled. Question number 48. What is the valency of noble gases? The valency of noble gas is 0 as their outermost shell is completely filled. Question number 49. Write the electronic configuration of nitrogen, atomic number 7. Answer is K equal to 2, L equals L equal to 5. Question number 50. Write the electronic configuration of chlorine, atomic number 70. K cell equal to 2, L cell equal to L, M cell equal to 7. Now we will discuss the question based on the atomic structure. Question number 50. What is the general representation of an element X? ZXA, where A is the mass number and Z is the atomic number. Question number 15. What is the general representation of element X? ZXA, where A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number. Where A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number. Question number 52. If the atomic number of an element Y is 16 and mass number is 32, how many electrons does it have? In neutral atom, electron equal to atomic number. So number of electron is 16. Question number 53. How many proton, neutron and electron are present in chlorine 1735? Proton is 17, electron is 17, neutron is 35 minus 70 equal to 18. Question number 54. An atom has 2 electrons in K cell and 7 electrons in L cell. What is the atomic number? The total number of electrons is 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So atomic number is 9. Valence electrons is 7. So valence is 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So an atom has 2 electrons in K cell and 7 electrons in L cell. What is the atomic number? Total number of electrons 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So atomic number is 9. Valence 7. So valence is 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Now we will discuss true and false question. Now question number 56. What true or false? Neutron are negatively charged particle. False. Neutron are charged. There is no charge in neutron. Question number 56, true or false? The mass of electron is concentrated in nucleus. True. Question number 57, true or false? Isotope have the same number of neutron. False. Question number 50, true or false? J.J. Thomson discovered the nucleus. False. Rutherford discovered the nucleus. Question number 59, true or false? Bohr's model electron lose energy while revolving in the air orbit. False. Question number 60, true or false? The valency of magnesium atomic number 12 is 2. True. Electronic configuration of magnesium is 2H2. Valence electron is 2. Question number 61, true or false? Isobar has the same atomic number. False. Now in question number 62, true or false? The K cell can hold a maximum of 8 electron. False. It can hold maximum 2 electron. Question number 60, true or false? An electron has mass of 1.8 1 upon 1837 time a mass of proton. True. Question number 64, true or false? Canal ray are beam of electron. False. They beam of positive ion. Fill in the blanks. Question 65, the positively charged particle in atom are called proton. Question number 66, the total number of proton and neutron in an atom is called mass number. Dash ray are positively charged radiation. Canal ray or anode. Question number 6, the shell closest to the nucleus is cell dash K shell. The uranium 235 and uranium 230 are example of isotopes. Question number 17. The number of dash in the nucleus is equal to the atomic number proton. Question number 17. The valency of an element with electron config 283 is 3. The question number 17. The maximum number of electron in the n cell can n equal to can be a 34 using 2n square. Question number 73. An atom of sulfur Z equals 16 had dash electron 16. Question number 74. The neutral particle in the atom is neutron. Distinguish between question लेंगे अब. Distinguish between proton and electron. Proton positive charge found inside the nucleus, mass 1u. Electron negatively charge revolve around the nucleus, mass is negligible 1 upon 1837 u. What is difference between proton and neutron? Proton is positive charge found inside nucleus, mass is 1 unit. Electron in negatively charged revolve around nucleus, mass is negligible 1 upon 1837 unit. Distinguish between atomic number and mass number. Number of proton define the element same for all the atom of an element. Sum of proton and neutron define the isotopes can vary from atoms of the same element isotopes. Distinguish between isotopes and isobar. Same atomic number, different mass number, atom of the same element. Different atomic number, same mass number, atom of different element. Question number 78. Distinguish between valence electron and valency. That number of electron in outermost shell is called valence electron. It is fixed number of for an element. The combining capacity of an element can be variable of for some element. Application and numerical ways. Question number 79. The atomic number of calcium is 20 and its mass number 40. Calculate the number of proton, electron and number of proton equal to number of atomic number equal to 20. Number of electron equal to number of proton equal to 20. Number of neutron mass number minus atomic number, so 40 minus 20 equal to 20. Question number 18. Number of electron in an atom is 15 and the number of neutron is 16. What is its atomic number and mass number? Answer is that atomic number Z equal to number of electron equal to 15. Mass number A equal to number of proton plus number of neutron equal to 15 plus 16 equal to 31. Question number 81. Write the electronic configuration of an element with atomic number 19. How many valence electron does it have? Electronic configuration K equal to 2, L equal to 8, M equal to 8, N equal to 1. Valence electron is 1. Question number 82. An isotope of uranium has an atomic number 92 and mass number of 235. How many neutron does it have? Answer, number of neutron equal to 235 minus 90 equal to 143. Question number 83. Why are noble gas chemically inert? Question number 83. Why are noble gases chemically inert? Noble gases have completely filled outermost shell, duplet or octet, which is stable configuration. Question number Hence, they have no tendency to lose, gain, or share electron. Question number 84. If the K and L cell of an atom are full, what is the total number of electrons in the atom? Answer is K cell full equal to electron, L cell full equal to 8 electron, total number of electron 2 plus n equal to 10. Question number 85. What is the mass number of an atom which has 4 protons, 5 neutrons, and 4 electrons? Mass number equal to proton plus neutron equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Question number 86. Why did Rutherford select a gold foil for his experiment? Gold is a malleable metal that can be beaten into a very thin fine foil which is necessary for the alpha particle to pass through. Question number 87. What is the charge on an atom as a whole? An atom has electrically neutral because the number of proton positive charge is equal to the number of electron negatively charged. Question number 88. Can the number of neutron be less than the number of proton in a nucleus? Number answer yes. For lighter element like hydrogen 1 which has 1 proton and 0 neutron. Question number 89. Name the isotope of hydrogen which has neutron. Protium 1H1 which has no neutron. Protium. Name the isotope of hydrogen which has no neutron, which is protium. Question number 90. What information does the electronic configuration of element provide? It tells us about the distribution of electron in different cell energy level around the nucleus. Question number 91. Why do helium, neon, and argon have zero valency? They have a stable electronic configuration with a completely filled outermost shell, 2 electron or helium 8 for neon and argons. Question number 92. What is the name given to the shell in which the electron revolves? Energy level of orbit. Energy level or orbit. Question number 93. Which subatomic particles were discovered without the use of any experimental evidence initially? The neutron, proposed by Rutherford and later discovered by Chadwick. Question number 94. What is the net charge on nucleus? Positive due to the presence of proton. Question number 95. What is the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost shell of an electron? Answer is atom, even if it is not the last shell. Answer is 8 electron according to octet rules. Question number 96. The average atomic mass of a sample of element X is 16.2 unit. What is the percentage of the isotope X? 8x16, 8x16 in the this is the common numerical types. Let the percent of x16 be y%, then the percent of x is 100%. 100 minus y equal to average mass 16 into y divided by 100 plus 18 minus 100 minus y equal divided by 100 equal to 16 points. So solving this 16y plus 18 minus 18y upon 10 equal to 6.2. 18 minus 2y equal to 1620, 2y equal to 180, y equal to 90%, x is x16 equal to 90%, x equal to 10%. Question number 97. Why are the chemical property of chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 the same? Because they are isotope and have the same atomic number, hence the same atomic configuration 287 and the same number of valence electrons. Question number 98. What is the valency of phosphorus? Atomic number 15. Electronic configuration 285. Valence electron 5. Valency 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Complete the table. Electronic element, electron, atomic number, mass number, proton, neutron, sodium 11, mass number 23. So answer is sodium, proton 11, neutron 12, electron 11. Aluminium, atomic number 13, neutron 14, electron equal to 13. Sulfur, mass number 32, proton 16, electron is 16. Question number 9. What is the importance of Bohr model of the atom? It is successfully explain the stability of an atom and the electronic structure which help in the understanding how atom form chemical bond. It also explains the atomic spectra of hydrogen. Question number 100. What is the importance of Bohr model of the atom? It is successfully explain the stability of atom and the electronic structure which help in the understanding how atom form chemical bond. It also explains the atomic spectra of hydrogen. So guys, yes, वीडियो हमने 100 क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस किए। तो गाइस अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो। जय हिंद, जय भारत।